1 and 2 white, 1 2 3 knit this cat color and तीनों को बनाएंगे इसके साथ. And next one white, this white, 1 this color, 1 white, and again 1 2 3 cat color and 1 white, this white, 1 2 3 change here, 1 white in one space, 1 2 3 again, no 1 cat color and 1 white. This middle stitch, 1 white, 1 2 3 this cat color and 1 white, only one, not this cat color, 1 white, again 3 1 2 3, now 1 white 3, the center 1 white, complete this row with same switches. इसी तरह पूरी रो कंप्लीट करें. 1 white, 1 square color, 1 white, 1 2 3 front row, 1 white space, 1 2 1 2 3 and 1 center white, this white, 1 white, 1 2 3 square color and 3 white, so this is 1 2 3, oh this one center stitch, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, this center stitch knit with white, इसको स्पेस से बनाएं, 1 2 3, this center 1 2 3, complete this row like this, 1 3 1 2 3, 1 2 3 3 and 1 white, 2 3 in the row, white, this white, white, and 1 stitch white, this one white, and 1 red color and this 2 and 1 this center, also red color 2 3, this one white, 1 this one white, 1 also white, again this one also white, this one, and center red color and center stitch red color, and 1 white, this 1 white, 1 red color, 1 again white, 2 times white, and 1 white, and 1 2 3 4 5 stitches will be white. 1 2 3 4 5, and 1 for the shape. 1 white, this stitch also white, one this white, one also this white, white, and this center stitch will be carrot color. Net will be carrot color. 1 white, 2 white, 1 2 time white, also white, and 1 2 3 4 5 complete. 2 white, 1 center is this, complete this row. 1 2 3 4 5, and 1 white and 2 white. One, 2 white, and 3 white. 1 2 3, this carrot color. 1 2 white, 1 2 white. These 3 will be carrot color. 3 stitches. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Carrot color. 1 white, 2 white, 1 2 3, 1 2 white, then 1 2 3. Complete a row like this. 2, again 2, 1 2 3. Complete this row with same stitches. 1 2 3. Then these stitches will be white. Again 2 3 4 5 6, 1 white, 1 get color, 1 and 2 white, 1 and 2 white, this, and 1 2 3 4 5, and this 1 2 3 4 5. ये 5 होंगी इस कलर से, and 1 2 time, 1 1, this one center stitch, this center stitch, 1 again, this one, 1 white, 2 white, and 5. Complete row like this. 4 5, 1 2 5, 1 1 2, and this one center stitch, then 2 3 change and 1 2, 1 no sorry 3, 1 1 and 2 3 is 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 stitches will be white, and 1 2 3, and again center stitch will be white. Repeat this design with the white stitches here. 1 white, and 1 2 3, 1 2 3 white, and 1 2 3 carrot color, 1 center stitch white. Complete a row like this. And 1 2 3 white, and 1 and in a row. 1 2 3 4 and 5. This center, no center stitch. This is center stitch. And white yarn 2 times. 1 2 3. This one with white, one pure color, one white, one white, one pure color, one white, 1 2 3, 1 white. This 1 white, 1 2 3. Skirt color, 1 white, 1 pure color, 1 white. Complete a row like this. I forgot knit this white stitch. Only this one white, this one white only. Complete a row like this. सिंपल रो इसकी सादा सिलाइयाँ बनाएं 4 नेट सिंपल 4 रोज 1 रो and start second रो, दूसरी रो जा रही है little simple 1. This row will be simple straight stitches. ये भी सादा होगी. 1 2 3. This one white. This only one white, one. After 9 1 2 3 4 5 6. No, this one white. Again 1 2 3 4. This one white.